Ready to turn for sale by owners into your next listing goldmine. Step 1. Mindset matters. Ditch the salesy pitch and embrace genuine help. Think of yourself as a problem solver, not just a salesperson. Step today to dive. Compile a targeted list of FSBOs in your area, noting property details and contact information. Websites like Zillow or even driving around can help you find these leads. Step 3. Craft your opening. Forget the generic greetings. Instead, say something like, "Hi, homeowner name. I noticed your beautiful home on street name. Are you still handling the sale yourself?" Step 4. Listen more than you talk. Let the homeowner explain their selling situation, their challenges, and their timeline. Active listening builds trust. Step 5. Highlight the value you bring. Briefly showcase how a realtor can get them a higher sale price, handle negotiations, and save them valuable time and stress. Don't bash FSBOs. Instead, focus on the benefits of using an agent. Step 6. Close with confidence. Offer a free market analysis or a consultation to discuss their options. For example, say, "Would you be open to a quick 15-minute chat next week to see if I can help you reach your goals?" Remember, cold calling FSBOs is about building relationships and demonstrating your value. So, go out there, be genuine, and turn those FSBOs into your next success story.